Hi. When I was looking at the English apps on the cool apps for schools, I saw a lot of really awesome apps for younger students and a lot of web tools that my kids can use. However, I did not see a lot of things for my students to use, seventh graders, to use as a Web.2 app. Because a Web.2 app to me is a place where students can create and participate and collaborate online. So I went to a blog that sometimes I look at called Web 2.0 to Tools for English Teachers. This girl is pretty cool, and it's curated by Linda Weeks, and she allows other people to post on it, but she's really the biggest poster. And I found a Web.2 let's see if I can find it, called Mind42. Okay, so mind42.com. Collaborate mind mapping in your browser. Let's click on it. So I'm already signed in. So I will put directions on how to create an account and how to log in on my handout. But let's look let's look at all the things that you can do using the mind map. So I created the mind map. Let's say I want to create a mind map on vigilance. Okay, this is a word that my students are studying right now, and I'm pretending that I'm a student. Perhaps I have a group project where we need to present on one of the vocabulary words. My vocabulary word is vigilance, so I'm going to create a mind map. It automatically goes here, and it starts with the root, vigilance. So you can click here, and I want to add something, so I want to add the definition. My students probably doing research on it from Merriam-Webster. That's where I tell them to go. So they have alertness, attentiveness, watch, and watchfulness. So I can go here, and I can go alert, and I can go watchfulness, and I can go attentive. Oops. I can even, it's watchfulness, but really if they do more research, vigilance is not just watchfulness, it is to a extreme, okay? Now, you could also link something and put a link in, or you can make a bullet point, like maybe a to-do list on here. You can add a new page, and you can even add pictures. So, there's lots of things that my kids can do. I want to show you one more thing. It automatically saves, which is cool. Look, vigilance is there. Yay. My kids often have problems not saving things and they get lost. And I could also share it, adding collaborators, okay? So I can add collaborators and multiple people can work on this at once, adding pictures, adding videos, adding a lot of things. Then the kids could post this onto a blog, or we could share it. They could print it out and we could share it in the classroom. And it's a way for students to present on a vocabulary word and show the rest of the class what they learned. I think that there's lots of different ways that this can be used in many different classrooms. I hope that this was useful to you.